Hey everyone, it's always a good idea to have emergency contacts set up on your iPhone in case of an emergency. Today, I'm going to show you how to add emergency contacts in just under 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, open your Health app on your iPhone. If you don't see the app, just swipe down and search for Health in your Spotlight search. Once the app is open, tap your profile icon on the top right corner. This will bring you to the personal health details. Next, tap Medical ID on the profile. Here, you'll see your medical ID, which can include information like allergies, blood type, and more. Now scroll down to the Emergency Contact section and tap Add Emergency Contact. Choose a contact from your address book and then select their relationship to you. You can add multiple contacts if needed. Make sure to enable Show when logged so that emergency responders can access your info even if your phone is locked. And that's it. Your emergency contacts are now set up and they'll be accessible in case of an emergency. If this video helped, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more quick tips. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.